We're going to go over lesson 13. So the first thing I want you to do is take your piece of paper and your pencil that you brought over to watch this video, and we're going to solve some number bonds. So let's start. The whole is 45. One part is 18. You figure out what the other part is. Go ahead and pause the video and figure it out. Did you figure out that it was 27? Let's try another one. This time, the whole is 90, and one part is 63. See if you can find out the unknown. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a try. Did you figure it out? 27. Excellent. So let's go into our objective for the day. Our objective is to figure out some secrets and tricks when we're working with nines facts. So nines facts are pretty special because there are special tricks that we can use in order to help us solve nine facts. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the first page of your problem set, and I want you to skip count by 9. Go ahead and pause the video, skip count by 9, and then come back and let's check your work. Okay, let's give it a try. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Look at the tens place in the count by. What is the pattern? I'm going to go ahead and just kind of color all of my tens place orange. And let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the pattern that you see there? You see how when we go with each fact, it increases by 1? Go ahead and write that down on part B. And I'm going to color in the ones place yellow. Okay, let's look at the ones place. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, it's the opposite pattern. So in the ones place, the count by is it goes down by 1 each time. Go ahead and write that on part C. Now what we're going to do is we are going to complete to make true statements. So when you multiply by 9, you can do a little trick. You can add 10 to the last answer and then subtract 1. Because 10 is the same as, or let me repeat this, 10 minus 9 is the same as 1. So let's give it a try. 10 more than 0 is 10. 1 less is 9. 1 times 9 is 9. That's because 0 times 9 is 0. We added 10, subtracted 1. 10 more than 9, and 9 is 1 times 9, is 19. 1 less is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Now we take that 18 from 2 times 9 and do it with this one. Go ahead and pause the video and complete the whole pattern, and I'm going to work on it too, and then if you have trouble you can start the video again. 10 more than 18 is 28, 1 less is 27, 3 times 9 is 27, 10 more than 27 is, and 27 is the same as 3 times 9, 37, 1 less is 36, 4 times 9 is 36. 10 more than 36, which is the same as 4 times 9, is 46. 1 less is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. We take 5 times 9 all the way back up here. 10 more than 45 is 55. 1 less is 54. 6 times 9 is 54. And you should have been able to figure out the rest by yourself. You can have someone at home help you check it. So what I want you to do is I want you right now to take all the sums you came up with. 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, 6 times 9, 7 times 9, 8 times 9, 9 times 9, 10 times 9. And I want you to add the tens place and the ones place. So take your piece of paper and go ahead and figure that out. So for example, 9, 0 plus 9 equals 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. I want you to go all the way through and see what the digits equal. So you're going to do 3 times 9, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, all the way down to 6 times 9, or all the way down to 10 times 9. You can pause the video and give it a try. Did you notice a pattern? The pattern is when you add the 2 digits, when you multiply by 9, the answer is always going to be 9. Think about how you could use this on a test to check your work. If you're trying to solve a problem like 6 times 9 and you say it's 55 and you add 5 plus 5 together and you get 10, you know that you might have made a mistake. You need to go back and solve again. Oh yeah, 6 times 9 isn't 59, it's 54. 5 plus 4, oh, it equals 9. Okay, so I know that my answer is probably correct. We're going to look at one more pattern with 9. I want you to take your piece of paper, get to a nice clean part, and we're going to do the following. I want you to make 3 columns. This is going to be your multiplication problem, and this is going to be your answer with 10s and 1s. So for example, let's start with 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. Do it with me. 3 times 9 equals 27. 4 times 9 equals 36. 5 times 9 equals 45. 6 times 9 equals 54. 7 times 9 equals 63. 8 times 9 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81, and 10 times 9 equals 90. So we already talked about the pattern that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But let's look a little closer. Look a little bit closer. So what we want to do is let's look at our number. So we multiplied by 1, and this would really be a 0. How are this 9 times 1, how is the 1 and the 0 related? Well, I know that 0 is 1 less than 1. And how are 1 and 9 related? Well, I know that 10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay, let's see if this pattern continues. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 taken away from 10 equals 8. See if the pattern continues. See if every time you multiply, if you take your factor and subtract 1 from it, you get the tens place, and subtract it from 10 if you get the ones place. Pause the video and check all the other ones and see if that's the pattern you get. Okay, hopefully you checked and you saw every time you multiply, you have your 2 factors, 9 and 3. When you multiply by 9, the other factor, minus 1, is going to be the tens place, and subtracted from 10 is going to be the ones place. Let's see if that pattern works for this problem. (11 times 9 is 99. So let's see. 11 minus 1 would be 10, and 11 subtracted from 10, 10 minus 11, oh no, we don't know how to do that yet. So this trick only works when you're multiplying 9 by 1 through 10. If you're multiplying by 9 by anything higher than 10, this trick won't work. So this concludes learning our first 9 facts. Let's practice by solving a problem. Michael and Gilda read the same book. It takes Michael about 8 minutes to read a chapter and Gilda about 10 minutes. There are 9 chapters in the book. How many fewer minutes does Michael spend reading than Gilda? Let's see, what do we know? Well, I know it takes Michael 8 minutes to read a chapter, and it takes Gilda 10 minutes to read a chapter, and there are 9 chapters in the book. And the problem's asking how many fewer minutes does Michael spend reading than Gilda? This seems like it might be a 2-step problem because I don't think I have enough information to solve that yet. So let's go ahead and solve this problem together. We'll solve it. I want you to go ahead and pause the video, give it a try yourself best you can, and then come back and we'll solve it. Okay, hopefully you had a chance to help solve the problem. So let's see. Michael and Gilda read the same book. So I'm going to go with Michael first. It takes him 8 minutes to read a chapter, and there are 9 chapters. So let's see. We don't know how long it takes him, but I know that there are 9 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it takes him 8 minutes to read each chapter. And there are 9 chapters. And we don't know how long it takes him to read. I'm going to put M for Michael. We don't know how long it takes him to read. So my multiplication sentence would be 8 times 9 equals M. And then, let me use one of my tricks. Okay, so I'm multiplying by 8, so I know that the tens place is going to be 1 less, 7. And the ones place is going to be 10 minus this number. 10 minus 8 is 2. So M equals 72. It takes Michael 72 minutes to read the book. What about Gilda? Okay, so Gilda reads the same 9 chapters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there are 9 chapters, and I'm going to say G is the unknown, and it takes her 10 minutes to read each chapter. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so I'm going to do 10 times 9 equals G. G equals, let me do my trick again. Let's see, this minus 1 is going to be the tens place, 9, and this subtracted from 10 is going to be the 1 place, 0. 90 minutes. So I'm done, right? No, there's still have to answer my problem. How many fewer minutes does Michael spend reading than Gilda? Fewer minutes, fewer minutes, fewer minutes. Oh, fewer, that I need subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So Michael was 72 minutes and Gilda was 90 minutes. So let me go ahead and draw a picture. Gilda was 90 minutes and Michael was 72 minutes, and my unknown right here is, I'm going to make it maybe like an L for longer. Oh, and I remember when we do L's in math, so we don't confuse it with a 1, we kind of do a cursive L. So let me go ahead and write my number sentence. 90 minus 72 equals L. I'm going to go ahead and write them right on top of each other to help me solve. 0 minus 2, can't do that, have to borrow. 8, 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 minus 1, 18 minutes. And my word sentence would be, it takes Michael 18 less minutes to read than Gilda. Let me check and make sure it makes sense. Does that make sense? Does it make sense that he spent 18 less minutes? I'm going to check my math. I think that makes sense. What I want you to do now is go ahead and finish your problem set and finish the rest of the activity, and I'll see you again in lesson 14. Thanks.